Hi guys, welcome back to VAG Italy YouTube channel. Today we are looking another video related to Toolbox, this powerful tool that permits to modify the Discover Pro MIB 2 or 2.5 and permit to change also the graphics. Okay, today we will look how to change many things. For example, this tool permits to change the maps, okay, that now we will see in another video. But what is important to change also is the start screen, but it's also possible to change all the drawings of the car. As you see now, we can change the drawings of the car, we have changed the lights, we have changed the rims, adapting to our car to make the real personalization with all our photo, our parameters, and many things. Also, the internal of the car, as you see, could be changed. We put GTD logo of my car. Okay, as you already seen, the vehicle also could be changed. Also, if the vehicle is okay or when there is something not okay. For example, you open one door and you see that also the drawings perfectly match inside our Discover Pro. I repeat also that this tool could be used also on SEAT car, not only Volkswagen. Also SEAT Navi Plus system permit to make this modification, okay, as the same as in Volkswagen. You need to look in the description of the video, there is a link for the toolbox, and more or less is explained how to install and how to start to modify the start screen. This is the original GTD logo that every one of you have if you have a GTD Golf. Then after the modification, as you see, we put the new Volkswagen logo with VAG Italy, our customization. You can put your name as a Simon, that is my name, but you can change also with your name. What you like, you can change it. This is the new GTI logo also for Golf 8. As you see, the drawings is completely new. It's also possible to change the dyno audio or fender graphics. Here another example with the blue and GTD, and also the same graphics that coming into the Golf 8, the new Golf. Okay. Here another customization for the GTI, okay, or GT in Italian, sorry, for our friend Stefano that asked us to customize his radio, his startup logo, and you can put also your name. Why not? Everything is possible. So you can make another example for Volkswagen Golf Fashion Facebook group. Okay, we made another graphics. This is all our friend that asked, hey, make a graphics specially dedicated only for my car. Okay, why not? If you have a Discover Pro, it's possible. Here also the GTI TCR dedicated logo that Volkswagen never make a TCR dedicated logo, but we do it. Why not? Also because the TCI is a very special Golf. Here another look, another possibility of the start screen. So everything you can imagine, you can do it just with a graphics program and a couple of things that you can read in the instruction to this tool, because really every graphics could be changed. And so thanks for watching this video. Follow us because we will modify other things with the toolbox. This is not the last video, so we will really go in deep inside this toolbox and try to change everything. Bye bye.